Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and welcome to all the other ones that are returning subscribers and everybody else. So lately I've been wanting to kind of challenge myself a little bit more and do something different, you know. So I saw this face chart picture on Instagram and I'm like, you know what, it looks alright. I can do that, you know. It doesn't look that challenging, but still definitely different than what I normally do. So I'm gonna try to recreate this look and see how it comes out. So I will be fast forwarding throughout this video just so this video won't be too long, but I will be leaving you guys the product detail and everything else in the description box. With that being said, let's just go into this video and see how it goes. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. I'm kind of happy with how it turned out. What do you guys think? I feel like I need a little bit of more vroom, like more purple up in here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it was somewhat entertaining and I guess different. I want to evolve and challenge myself and stuff like that. So this is the beginning. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.